Hey everybody, it is Monday down at the toy store. I'm closed today, but I have to work tonight because the first big snow of 2024 is upon us. That's right, it's Blizzard 2024, Snowpocalypse, Snownado, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. I will show everybody what we got going. I have to be at work on the railroad tonight at 10:30, and it is going to be Winter Wonderland. Dun, 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 dun. That's not the exciting news. The exciting news is we have another Funko Pop buy. I know, I said I was gonna stop buying Funko Pops. But my brother found a Funko Pop buy that we need to take a look at. Okay, the good news about this Funko Pop buy, I think, no anime, it is all general variety type stuff. And just looking at it, I've already found my favorite Funko of the whole batch, which I will save till later, but you guys probably already saw. And also, there is another 10-inch Michelangelo. I'm gonna save this one here for last, and there are a few other ones that I'm gonna snag out, save them till the end, and show you my favorites out of the batch. Let me know what your favorite was down in the comments. Let me know if there's any really awesome figures in here. Haven't had a chance to look at them, and I'm not gonna be able to price them, so let me know what everybody thinks in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. It really, really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. Enough talk, let's get to it. Let's get the first one out of the way. It's right in front of everybody. It's the big one. It's a 10-inch Michelangelo. I already have a 10-inch Michelangelo up there. That's okay, man. You can't have enough Michelangelo in your life. I have a feeling this is going to be a really cool collection. Let's just kick it off. Let's get it going. Grogu with cookies, Star Wars 465. I have a WandaVision, Agatha versus Scarlet Witch. Really heavy on this one side. I don't think I've seen this one before. Very nice. Then I have an Ant-Man. $5. Oh, very cool pop. Leonardo, PX Previews exclusive. Man, I really like the TMNT. I was gonna set that one to the side, but Amazon exclusive Grogu using the Force. Next on the list, Emperor Palpatine, only at Target. I'm gonna say this guy was a Star Wars fan just by what I'm seeing so far. Justice League Superman, only at Target and the Overstock Toy Shop. The Joker, the Heath Ledger Joker, probably my favorite Joker. Winter Soldier. And I have a Severus Snape. I actually had somebody come in asking for this. She said that she could not find it anywhere, and I have it now, but somebody else might want that one. All right, Justice League Aquaman, only at Target. Very cool. Alexa Bliss. This, I saw this. We have another one of these, but I'm not sure if it's the same one. Letterkenny, very cool show. I only watched a couple seasons and then I kind of fell off it. I think I started watching something else, but it was pretty funny. We have a Sylvie, and that is Marvel Loki. Next on the list, I have Kid Loki from Loki. Keeping it rolling right along. We've got a Chewbacca. And these must have got picked up, or he was trying to sell them somewhere. $5 a piece. That's not bad for Funko. That's what you're paying in the store. Okay, another Grogu. This one with the Chowder Squid. Very cool. Only at Target. And I have another Grogu, but they're calling it the Child with Cup. Let's look how many we got of these so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 Grogus. Very cool. And I have a What If Star-Lord. This one's in a soft case. Somebody in the comments, let me know below if it's any good, why it's in the soft case. I am kind of curious. I have another The Child with Frog. I really like this one. Man, how many of the Childs did they make? These are pretty cool. And another Grogu. I think we might have this one in the store. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have to look. Well, our Grogu collection is definitely getting pumped up. Is anyone keeping count here? Chucky, I had one of these and I sold it. So it will be nice to get another Chucky to go with the Tiffany that I still have left. Keeping it moving, Party Thor, only at Walmart. Party Thor, everybody. TMNT, Casey Jones. I'm gonna put the TMNT to the side because they might not make it onto the shelves. Just kidding, but I'm gonna put the TMNT. This is a Casey Jones. And from earlier we had the Leonardo. Okay, Doctor Strange, Scarlet Witch. Every time I buy a collection and I run across a Funko with a soft case, I gotta wonder if it's worth something or if the person just put it in a soft case to keep it from getting damaged, like they had kids or something. Now this was a collection buy. My brother had to drive about 2 hours to get this, and I think he got a really good deal. A lot of really cool Funko already, and we are going to keep it moving. Doctor Strange, everybody. Frost Giant Loki. I have an X-Men Angel exclusive Marvel Collector Core. And I have a Raphael, very cool TMNT art series. I really love TMNT stuff. I have a White Lantern Sinestro from the 2021 Summer Convention Limited Edition. I'm not sure if that's how you say that. I might have butchered that, but moving on. Luke Skywalker with Grogu. Definitely a lot of Grogu in here, which is really cool. I've got a Marvel Black Cat. I've got a WWE Rhea Ripley. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that, but I haven't seen that one before. I have a Doctor Strange pop, and I'm not even going to attempt to butcher the name, but that is a really cool pop. I have a What If Zombie Captain America. I actually sold one of these last week. I have a Defender Strange from Doctor Strange. I have an X-Men Jubilee Walgreens exclusive. Big X-Men fan. Really like to see the pops. A Boba Fett only at Walmart. King Killmonger from the What If series. Soft case. I have a Joker. Jack Nicholson. Really a good movie. Supreme Strange. Doctor Strange. I have a Boastful Loki. I have a Zombie Hunter Spidey. I actually have 2 more of these in the store unless I sold one. Zombie Hunter Spidey. And a Pennywise with boat. We do have some other Pennywise. Pennywise sells pretty good here. Agatha Harkness from WandaVision. I'm not familiar with WandaVision, so I am not familiar with Agatha. Polka Dot Man, Suicide Squad. Very cool, soft cover. A Yennefer from The Witcher. I didn't even know they had Witcher Funko. Plain Jane 2022 Fall Convention Limited Edition Aquaman. I have a WandaVision The Vision Diamond BAM exclusive. Very cool looking pop, and I think I'm gonna set this one to the side because that is a really cool pop. I have a Jessica Jones Luke Cage $11.99 sticker on there. Set it over here. The Shredder TMNT PX Previews exclusive, and I have to do it one more time. Dr. Shredder. Very cool. I have a Michelangelo 6-inch, same as the 10-inch, just 6-inch. Okay, you get what I'm saying. It's another Michelangelo. I have a Black Canary from Arrow. Black Canary, everybody. Atom Smasher from Black Adam. Very cool looking pop. I really like the colors on this one. Atom Smasher. We have a Chewbacca 2022 Galactic Convention. I really like the boxes that have the metallic on them. Very cool pop. And you can't have Chucky without Tiffany. There is a Tiffany from Chucky. Now we have the set. And we have a Letterkenny Katie soft box. So that is cool. We have more than one. I have a Star-Lord, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, Star-Lord. And I have an MGK. I believe I have two of these different pops, but this might be a copy and it might not. I will have to look and see. MGK, everybody. 5-finger Death Punch Knucklehead. I had somebody asking me if I had music pops the other day, and now we have a few. Scarlet Witch. Didn't we just see this one, or was it a different one? A Black Orchid Earth Day 2022 Walmart exclusive. I do have a couple other Earth Day pops, so that is very nice. This is something a little different. Just a t-shirt, I think. Funko t-shirt, Marvel Spider-Man. Cool. And we saw a couple of these from our last Funko buy. The mini Funkos or the pocket Funkos. You have a Pennywise and a Jon Snow. So far I'm seeing some really cool Funko. Definitely going to be great additions to the store. Couple boxes left. Going to keep it moving because I have to be at work for snow coverage. Go Railroad in about an hour. I'm going to be cutting it close. I've got a little bit of help tonight. Otherwise I probably wouldn't be able to get through these. Captain Boomerang Suicide Squad. And we're filling up Pete Wentz from Fallout Boy. Pete Wentz, everybody. I have a He Who Remains 2022 Summer Convention Limited Edition Loki Funko. Ben Kenobi, very cool box, only at Target, Star Wars. And a Mr. Knight from the Moon Knight series, glows in the dark. Nice. Another Alexa Bliss, and I gotta think that this was way different than the other one. Rob Van Dam, pulling in the WWE pops tonight. I have a Paul Heyman, another WWE. U.S. Agent Falcon Winter Soldier pop. The Collector, rocking a pretty sweet coat in the What If series, soft case. A Brandon Breyer from Brightburn. Has a sticker that says $18. I have never even heard of this, but it's a pretty neat looking pop. I'll have to look more into that. All right, soft case, Doctor Strange limited chase exclusive. A lot of these chase pops are worth a little bit more. I'm going to guess that might be worth a little bit. Ultron, another $5 sticker. Avengers Ultron. It is Jar Jar Binks, everybody. You either love him or hate him. He, yeah, Jar Jar Binks, GameStop exclusive. And it is a cool looking pop. I'm not gonna hate on it. It is a cool looking pop. Jar Jar Binks. Boba Fett. Everybody, Boba Fett. Adam Warlock, Guardians of the Galaxy. Really a cool looking pop. I want to go back to that Jar Jar Binks. That is a good looking pop. I like this. I'm not saying I was the biggest fan in the movies, but I do like the pop. Zombie Iron Man, some more What If stuff. I did sell some What If stuff this week, so I know it's pretty popular. I have a Captain America. I have Hawkeye Yelena. Hawkeye, Yelena. Peacemaker with Eagle. That's kind of patriotic. And then we have a Avengers Hulk. I'm thinking about getting a big Hulk for the store, but man, they are expensive. A Thor Gore. We're on to some bigger pops, everybody. These are the comic book case pops. I have a Doctor Strange. Very cool. I'm a big fan of these comic book case pops. Batman. Very nice. Digging the comic books. X-Men Wolverine comic book pop. Wolverine is probably my favorite X-Man. Very cool. Last box, everybody. Billy and Tommy Halloween WandaVision. Thor and Mighty Thor. Very nice looking pops. And a Raphael art series. I've noticed these art series Funkos are in the hard case. I really like this one. Running out of room, everybody. I have a Geralt from The Witcher GameStop exclusive. Very cool pop. This will probably sell as soon as I put it on the shelf. The Witcher. All right, Riley and Jonesy from Letterkenny. Very cool. And a Degeneration X WWE Walmart exclusive. I have a Obi-Wan and Darth Vader 2-pack, only at Target. What an awesome set right here. Another Letterkenny. One more pop to go before I show everyone my favorite pop. This is Boba Fett and Fennec on Throne. Here it is, my favorite pop from the buy. Dun, 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 dun. Leonardo and Turtle Van. Man, that is just a very nice pop. Okay, everybody, here it is. The collection buy my brother picked up. There's TMNT, Star Wars, Marvel. There's all kinds of stuff. Really a lot of Funko in here, and it is going to do very well in the shop. But I gotta wrap it up. Snowpocalypse 2024. Okay, I'm exaggerating slightly. It looks like there's about an inch out there right now. I gotta wrap it up, gotta get to work. I just want to say thank you to everybody that, oh my God, watches and subscribes to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank Jade for helping me out with this video. So until next time, I will see you later. Peace.